Hey everybody, I'm Waller's Wallet, and in this video we're going to take a look at the IHG Premier credit card. But first, if you're new to this channel is all about credit cards, credit card rewards, and showing you how you can use your points and miles to travel for less. So if that's something that interests you, consider subscribing and turn the bell notification on as well. Also, consider hitting that thumbs up button, it really does help the channel out. Now, if IHG is your preferred hotel chain, or if you're looking for a keeper hotel card, then this might be a card you want to consider. And the IHG Premier credit card is issued by Chase, so it is going to be subjected to their 524 rule. Now, taking a look at the sign-up bonus, the public offer on the IHG Premier credit card is 80,000 points after you spend $2,000 in the first 90 days. And we've seen offers be as high as 120,000 points and come with a $50 statement credit, so I would keep an eye out for those if you're not in a rush to open these credit cards. And sometimes you can get these offers to show up by making a dummy booking on the IHG website, so I would be sure to give that option a try. And taking a look at the earning rate, the IHG Premier credit card will earn 10 points per dollar at IHG properties, 2 points per dollar at gas stations, grocery stores, and restaurants, and then 1 point per dollar everywhere else. Now, I know the website says you're going to earn 25x, but it's only after you account for your status earning rate of 15 points per dollar, but the card itself only earns 10x at IHG properties. And you'll also receive 10,000 bonus points when you spend $20,000 and make an additional purchase at least a day after hitting your $20,000 in a card member year. So while this looks nice, that's a lot of spending for roughly $50 worth of points, and I don't think it's really worth it. And for the most part, these earning rates are unimpressive, and I don't feel the 2x categories meet that 2% minimum you should be earning. So really, it's not a card I think worth putting your daily spend on. Now, you could make the case to put your IHG paid nights on this, but some people might prefer using other cards that earn them flexible currency over IHG points. Now, taking a look at the annual fee, the IHG Premier credit card comes with an $89 annual fee, and it's not waived in the first year, and this card also comes with no foreign transaction fees. Now, let's take a look at our redemption options. You can actually redeem your IHG points in a few different ways. But realistically, to get the best value from these points, you're going to want to make award stays at IHG properties. And using your points for reward stays start at 10,000 points per night, and they can top out at 70,000 points per night as well. And IHG does offer a cash and points option. And I've had pretty good experiences at the lower to mid-level IHG hotels. Personally, the Holiday Inn Express hotels have given me better experiences than the Intercontinental properties I've stayed at. But I might be in the minority here, but I will gladly burn my points at a Holiday Inn Express over an Intercontinental. You can also redeem your points for IHG point breaks, where IHG offers hotels for 5, 10, or 15,000 points per night. And this could offer some value, but over the last few years, this part of the program has lost some luster. These can definitely be worth looking at since they could save you some serious points depending on what property you're staying at. And you can even transfer your points over to airlines as well, but this is an extremely poor value for your points, and you really shouldn't even think about doing this. And IHG has confirmed that they will be going dynamic with their point redemptions in the future, so while we now have this more loosely associated award chart, it could change to be more like Hilton. Now, taking a look at the other benefits, the IHG Premier credit card comes with a few benefits that are actually pretty decent. And you're going to receive a free night certificate that you can redeem at a property for up to 40,000 points. And if you were to make a complete point stay of 4 nights or more, you're going to receive your 4th night free. And the IHG Premier credit card gives you Platinum Elite status, which comes with benefits like room upgrades, late checkout, a $30 spa credit at participating hotels, a 50% bonus on points earned on paid stays, and a few other benefits as well. And if you're someone who looks to buy points, you're going to save an additional 20% when you pay with your IHG Premier credit card when you buy IHG points. Now, you do need to run the numbers here, but buying points typically is not a great idea, but it can make sense from time to time. You're also going to receive a TSA PreCheck or global entry credit every 4 years as well. You'll also receive travel protections like trip cancellation or trip interruption insurance. And since this card is a World Elite MasterCard, you're going to receive benefits like up to $800 in cell phone protection, Lyft credits, Fandango credits, and a Postmate discount, and these could all be good benefits for people. And the IHG Premier credit card could be a good card for someone looking for a decent hotel keeper card to round out their Chase cards before going over 524. And getting a 4th night free when you book completely on points is pretty awesome, but the redemption cost for IHG can be inflated. And while this card does come with a free night benefit, it does limit the benefit to properties at 40,000 points or less. So realistically, you're not going to be able to use the certificate at top-end properties. But then again, when you look at these free night certificates from other hotels as well, they all come with some sort of restrictions. So tell me, what do you think of the IHG Premier credit card? Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into this video. If you want to help support the channel, a simple way would be use links on the website or in the description below. And until next time, safe travels and take care.